hole in the bottom of the camera. Twist the pieces together until they're snugly joined. Place your webcam with a tripod anywhere you want to perfectly frame yourself. Place your webcam on a computer, laptop, or monitor wherever you prefer. Plug the USB-A connector into your computer. The device will automatically turn on. The webcam is attached with a privacy cover. No need to worry about privacy issues. In this interface, you can customize the settings according to your needs. There are 4 filters for your choice. In Customize mode, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, sharpness, saturation, and white balance of the image. You also can update the device software version on EMEETLINK.